All right, good morning, good morning, good morning. Live trade on US30 for this morning. Already dropped this analysis for my private group, so I'm looking at US30 this morning. Let's see what we have here. Because look at the daily. It's looking like we want to go bullish, but we cannot. We haven't broken that resistance yet. This resistance right here at the 38,800 area. We really need to break that. I actually would like to see us go bullish on the higher time frames, but I need to see structure on the lower time frames to confirm that we are going to break. So let me remove everything here so you guys can see what I see. So basically here, price has held here and we pushed up. We did close bullish on yesterday with a long rejection from the low, and we did kind of tap into these same highs previously, but they're not. It hasn't broken. It hasn't broken yet. We could push all the way up to this area here, which would make a lot of sense if we continue bullish to continue up from there, but we would need to break where we are now for us to hit that high, basically. So yeah, we would need to break that. This 4 hour high, this is a 4 hour resistance. We need to break that. If we don't break this 4 hour high, then we're probably going to come back down and retest these lows for 400 points. So today, not the cleanest setup as yesterday was. Yesterday was amazing. Yesterday was just beautiful. We caught this nice drop yesterday. That was very, very, very nice. I think history will repeat itself and we may get another drop today. So that is why I am looking for sells here. Right on down to that area there for TP1. I'd like to see us come back up though. I'd like to see us come back up and then come back down, but this is close enough here. I think I'm actually, what time is it? Almost 9 o'clock. I'm going to take some sells here. I'm going to take some sells because I really want to catch a really good entry here. Okay. And I'm going to take one more position. All right. Perfect. So, looking for price to come on down because you are the next contestant on The Price is Right. So yeah, that's what we're looking for this morning on the 30-minute time frame. Let me look at the 15, look at the 5. Let's zoom in on the 5 minute real quick and see what it's looking like on the 5. Yeah, we're looking very, very clean on the 5 minute. Now this could easily push up just a little bit here and then come back down, but we'll see what price does around this area here. That area there is going to be very telling as to what price does here. So waiting game. We're going to let this thing ride and see what we got for this morning. Today is Thursday. Yesterday was a good day. The day before that was kind of a good day. Well, kind of, because I called the perfect setup and didn't take it because I wasn't confident about it. So a bit of a pain in the butt, but what are you gonna do? You can't always be right. Not right, but you can't always be confident in what you're seeing. Sometimes, the market doesn't always give you what you like to see, what gives you the confidence to take a trade. I have actually seen many times where US30 will give me certain confirmations, but not others. And the confirmations that would give me the confidence to enter are the ones that I'm missing. So, it is what it is. But it's okay because every day, guys, does not have to be a trading day. It just doesn't. Um, every day is not a trading day. So, even if you miss a move, it's okay. It's just one move. There's going to be another setup. No need to get your panties in a bunch. You know what I mean? So, let's see what's going on in the way of news real quick. I didn't see anything this morning when I woke up. This really didn't do too much this morning. So we're in the clear. We're pretty much in the clear for news. So let's see what US30 has for us today. But I wouldn't be surprised if we did continue bullish. But we need to break this high. If we don't break that high there, I don't know. The only thing that gives me a little bit of pause is we have been holding this area here. We rejected it several times. So if I don't see this high get broken, then no, we're good. We are good. And maybe we'll get a nice whoosh dump like that. And we can clear out all this liquidity that's sitting down here. Because price, we're making higher lows over here. So we would still need some sort of pullback to make it make sense, I think. But if we were to just take off from here, that would be interesting. In that case, I would probably consider taking another trade because obviously this one would be a loss. So I'd probably consider giving it a second opportunity to ride that wave on up if that happens today. If today was Friday, it would kind of be different. I don't think I would take that trade being that it's a Friday, but it's Thursday. We still have a whole nother week left. So that's you have to take all that into consideration, so we shall see. I want to stay on the 15-minute. I like what the 15-minute is showing. I'm going to stay there and let this ride. So gonna let this ride, guys. I'm gonna pause the recording, let this ride, and then we'll see where we are, I guess, in another half an hour or so. Whether we're in profit or if we are in more drawdown, or if it's a complete loss. But either way, I'll be back on here to show you guys the outcome of how this is progressing. So we'll see. All right, so 9:30 market open. We have pushed up here, trying to wait and see what's gonna happen. We are down 7K. This might be a loss today. Yeah, this might be a loss because we are struggling right now. I'm probably, oof. See that whiplash? Look at that whiplash. Oh my goodness. Oof. We literally went from 7 all the way back down. Crazy, crazy, crazy. I might close out at break even because I don't know. I'm not confident about this move no more. Look at that. Back up. Wow. Look at that. Are we gonna break this low? We need to break this low right here. For me to have confidence that this is gonna continue down. I mean, we should still continue down, but we gonna see. That whiplash was cray. Wow. Finally, we dropped. Wow, look at that. I almost closed out. I ain't gonna lie. I almost said nope. I'm out of this. Let's see. Yeah. Break that, break that, break it, break it, break it. Come on. Yep. Yeah. Yeah. Yep. There we go. Where are we at right now? 6K, 7. Wow, from 7 drawdown back to 6. 7. There we go. There we go. And 48, 42, we're rejecting hard. We are rejecting hard. Come on, give me another push. See, we rejected again at this same area right here. Because yesterday, guys, I took this same trade and this thing just melted. And I'm like, damn, I'm trying to see if I can hold a little bit longer today to see. Because I don't want to close out again and this thing just completely obliterates the bottom of this chart here. I'm probably being greedy right now. I pretty much am. So to come out of 7K drawdown and 7K profit and then, you know what I'm saying? Entry. I'm not mad at my entry because I didn't think it was going to come back to these highs, but it did, so whatever. I'm going to hold. I'm going to hold today. I'm going to risk it and see what happens. I'm going to hold. Probably should have closed out at 7. I ain't going to lie. Damn. Woo. See the emotional roller coaster that this puts you through, guys? To have to go through this shit every day, it's crazy. It's crazy. Ugh. I'm breaking my rules, guys. I literally am, because I always preach take what the market gives you, but you know what? We're just human. We're going to slack off every once in a while. So what are you going to do, you know? Hopefully we get another push here and this can come down and we can take profit and that will be the day. So let's see. Okay, we're back down. 45, 49, 54, 50. Okay, looks like we're trying to make another push here. But we're not going to be greedy. We're not going to be greedy. Don't be greedy, Charlene. Come on. Watch me close out and then watch this thing just completely dump. Watch me close out and this thing just dumps. Come on, come on, come on. All right, nah, I'm going to close. Come on, come on. Come on, come on. 2,000. 246. Okay. I'm not going to risk it, guys. Oh my God. Roller coaster ride, let me tell you. Roller coaster ride. I'm not going to risk it. I really wish this would have just continued down like it did yesterday. See, that's what it did yesterday, guys. Same move. It was down here, right? US30 repeats itself, guys, over and over. Right? We played around down here. We pushed up and then dump. Same thing. Pushed up and then that's what I was looking to happen. The same thing. This was yesterday. This is today. Looking for the same thing to happen. And hopefully it does. Who knows? Whatever. I don't care. I already closed out. I don't care if it happens or not. But I would like to see if it does play out that way. So yeah, that's my trading day for the day, guys. Roller coaster ride every day. is a roller coaster ride when you're trading. It shouldn't always be that way. You know, if you have a good enough entry, if you manage risk, it's okay. You know, I was risking about 10K on this trade. I was my biggest drawdown, I think, was seven, a little over seven. If price would have continued pumping up here, I would have closed out. That would have been that, and that's it for the day. But held out and ended up being able to take something. And this is why I scalp, guys. It's a little bittersweet, right? When you see a move like this take off and you only catch this much of it, but you can't get them all. You know, I've caught big moves. I've caught moves like this before on US30. So you can't get them all. It's very, 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 very hard, guys, to catch moves like this all the time, to make it a very consistent thing. It's much easier, guys, catching moves like this than it is catching moves like that consistently. You know what I'm saying? Some people could do it, you know, some people are more skilled and more experienced and, you know, have an edge to how they look at the markets that gives them the confidence to hold moves, and others don't. And, you know, you pretty much stick to what works for you. Stick to what works for you, and you'll see a level of success with your trading. When the times that you look to reinvent the wheel, try things that don't work for you, or break your rules, right? Like I broke my rules. I should have been took profit from before, and I held it because why? I'm thinking about yesterday's trade. I'm like, damn, could have held it a little longer. Maybe I can push my risk a little bit more for the day and see. But it all depends on your own risk level and what you're comfortable with trading. Pretty much, how much risk are you comfortable with? Because if you're not comfortable with it, my contacts are bugging me, guys, sorry. If you're not comfortable with it, then don't do it. Just stick to what works and be okay with it. And the best way that I tell people to like control, like following their rules and stuff like that, is mostly closing the charts. Closing the charts. Like when I'm done here with this recording, close, I'm done trading for the day. I'm good. I'm moving on to other things. And that's how you kind of get yourself out of that need to want to get back in, to want to, you know, oh man, to have FOMO if it continues your way. Because think about it. It's very easy to look and say, damn, I should have held this move here because, you know, look how far down it went, right? But it could have also did this. It could have pushed down and then easily rejected right back up, which it already is doing twice. That could have happened yesterday. And then when you think about it, after you take profit right here and you see it do this, it could have easily do that, which is what it did here. So you could have easily lost too. So you got to think about it from both points of view. US30 is super, super volatile. You never really know if it's going to continue or if it's going to play around before it does. You know what I'm saying? So you got to play your cards right and know what works for you and be okay with the outcome. At the end of the day, as long as you win, that's all that matters. As long as you win. If you are more concerned about catching a big move compared to just winning for the day, you're going to have problems. Just letting you know, you're going to have problems. So that's all I got for y'all today. As always, your favorite female trader. If you're interested in anything that I have, please see the description box below for my course, my private group that also got this trade, and the broker that I use, which is HANKOTRADE on the ActTrader application. All right, guys. So y'all be good. Y'all make it a great day, and I'll catch y'all on the next trade.